Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all of you musicians and content creators out there. If you're looking for the best audio interface for Mainstage 3, you're in the right place. We're talking about the M-Audio M-Track Solo, a versatile USB audio interface that's perfect for recording, streaming, and podcasting. Stick around as we dive deep into its features and benefits. Alright, let's kick things off with an overview of the M-Audio M-Track Solo. This compact device is a game changer when it comes to audio recording. It's designed for both Mac and PC users and offers a crystal clear 48 kHz audio resolution. Now, one of the standout features of the M-Track Solo is its versatility. Whether you're a musician, podcaster, or live streamer, this interface has got you covered. It comes with a combo XLR line input with phantom power and a line instrument input, making it compatible with microphones, guitars, and more. Monitoring your audio is crucial, and the M-Track Solo doesn't disappoint. It features a 1/8 headphone output and stereo RCA outputs, providing you with total flexibility. Plus, it has a USB direct switch for zero latency monitoring, ensuring your recordings are as precise as possible. Let's talk about the heart of this device, the crystal preamp. It guarantees optimal sound quality from all your microphones, including condenser mics. So, you can expect professional-grade audio recordings every time. But that's not all. When you purchase the M-Track Solo, you also get a software suite that includes Pro Tools. First M-Audio Edition, MPC Beats, X-Band 2, 11 Light Guitar Amp Plugin, and 20 Avid Plugin FX. It's like having a complete recording studio at your fingertips. Now, I know you're probably wondering about the price. The M-Audio M-Track Solo offers incredible value for money. You can find it on Amazon for an affordable price, and it's available in different configurations to suit your needs. To sum it up, the M-Audio M-Track Solo is the best audio interface for Mainstage 3 and a fantastic choice for anyone looking to up their recording game. Its versatility, crystal clear preamp, and included software make it a top pick in its class. That's it for today's review of the M-Audio M-Track Solo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.